Okay guys, so all you need here to bind your account. Okay, so here you will receive exclusive duck bill headwear, access to additional community rewards and benefits. Okay, so to link your account here, click bind accounts. Okay, so you will see the step here, click the bind your account button below. Open the account linkage that appears and log in with your game account and complete the linking process. Once your account has been successfully linked, you will automatically receive the verified role. Head over to no access to claim your rewards. Okay, bind your account here below. Then account linkage. Alright guys, so when you log in here, the account or the email should be binded in-game. So the email that you are going to use here is the email that is binded on your in-game account. So once you click the server, you will automatically see your nickname here, which you need to confirm. Okay. Now, as you can see here, okay, it's done. And what we are going to do now is to check the rewards. Now, how to claim verification rewards. Okay, after receiving the verified role, head over to verification rewards. Okay, so this is the verification rewards. So you can see here, if you have successfully linked your game account to Discord and received the verified role, you can claim your exclusive duck bill headwear. Here, so reward, exclusive duck bill, how to claim. Make sure your game account has been successfully linked to Discord. Okay, use the reward claim button. The bot will provide you with a CDK for your reward. Copy the CDK and redeem it in-game. Okay, now let's claim the reward. Okay, so this is the CDK. Okay, aba. Okay, you need to copy this one. Okay, so here, how can I copy this one? Click to the activity, others, and here, paste the CDK. Okay, this one is the CDK that we get from Discord. So now here, okay, sorry. Here, after copying, so I think this is different every account. So this is once only. You will see a redemption successful. Your rewards have been sent to your in-game. Okay, so I'm not sure if this will be applicable to other player if you share your code. So as much as possible, claim it. Okay, so yeah, this is the duck deal. Alright, so this is the reward. Okay, so I'm going to change the settings first and apply the HD graphics. Okay, here. So we need to restart. Alright. So this is just simple and I hope you get yours too. Okay, so here you go. The duck bill. Okay, so see you in my next video. Bye-bye.